there, my name's Hayley and I help children with feelings. One of my favourite ways to do this is to make slime. Are you ready? Okay, I tied up my hair, put on my apron, I've rolled up my sleeves and my space is prepared. Slime gets sticky and messy, so let's make sure we're ready to have fun with it and we don't have to worry about making a mess. Okay, so grab yourself about a half a cup of PVA glue or Elmer's glue, some paint, a bowl and a spoon, and some detergent. So before we start, let's think, how are you feeling today? When somebody has died, often we'll feel sad, as well as something else. We might feel something that we can't quite describe, like heaviness or tired or confused or guilty, loads of different things at once. So let's put all of our feelings into the slime today. So first of all, pour in your glue and a little squirt of paint, whichever colour you think is going to match your feeling. So I've chosen green, and then you just start stirring it up. So you should have something like this. This is just glue and paint being stirred up together. And as I'm stirring it, I'm thinking maybe you can talk to someone as you're doing it. How you're feeling, what's this like? For me, it's sadness and confusion all mixed up together. The next step we want to do is to take some of the detergent, put a couple of teaspoons in. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons in and then see how that goes. Then we need to use our muscles and stir a lot. This is going to get thick and kind of hard to stir very quickly. I can see it starting to come away from the side of the bowl and it's starting to come into the middle. This is great. So I'm going to keep stirring, keep stirring. It looks very sticky. I'm not going to touch it just yet. It's all stirring up. I know this with my feelings, sometimes they feel like they're all stirring up inside. So we can talk about it as we do it. Oh my goodness, it's getting thick. It's heavy. Have you ever felt sadness that feels heavy in your body? Just like this slime. It's heavy and it's hard to get it out. Just like my feelings. Slime is amazing. So I'm stirring. It's so hard to stir. If there's someone there to help you, that's great. Otherwise, don't give up. Keep stirring. You can do it. And when it starts to pull away from the side, see, my bowl is almost getting cleaned. Then I know my slime is ready to come out. So, can you hear it? Oh, it's heavy, this piece. This big piece of sadness. So I can take it in my hands now. Ooh, what's it like? I wonder what yours is like. Mine feels cold and soft. And as I'm doing this, I'm helping my body to relax because I'm squeezing it. I'm noticing the sensations. Maybe I'm talking about my feeling a bit more. And this one's a bit too sticky just yet. So I'm going to put my fingers into the detergent and just dab a little bit on top like that. And then I'm going to give it another stretch and see. Because where we want it is where it's not sticking to our hands at all, and it's just like we can take it off. But it's kind of like, oh, this is a mess. Sometimes feelings feel like a mess, and when somebody has died, it can feel really messy. But look what's happening as I work with my feeling and as I talk about it. The mess is getting smaller. It's kind of cleaning itself up. And oh, my slime is coming together. And there it is. It's not sticking to my hands so much anymore. It doesn't feel so heavy anymore, actually. It's pretty cool. I'd love to show you a few tricks as how you can work with the slime as well. Well done on making your slime. So now that you've done it, you can use this to squeeze if you feel angry or sad or you just need something to squeeze on. You can stretch it when you need to. Oh, that feels good. And you can even try and blow a bubble with it. If I stretch it down, I can take a deep breath and blow all my sadness out into my slime and squish it all back up. I really hope you'll try this yourselves.